This video is going to show you how to open up the cold tank on the Skywell unit and observe the inner components. First, you would come to the hose here for the water intake and remove the blue clip. Set it aside. You would then have to pull the hose out, kind of set it aside. I recommend maybe putting a couple of dry rags around them just in case the water tends to drip. Two latches in the front, flip one up. Number two. The unit will then open up from the front, and you can now access the inner components of the unit. As you can see, there is a flotation device here to tell the machine when it is full. Here is your UV1 lamp, the ultraviolet lamp for sterilizing the water as it is getting cooled off. And down here you will notice that there are 4 metal rods. One is longer and they get shorter as they go down. It kind of tells the machine the level of the water, 25%, 50%, 75 to 100. To reinstall, just make sure you get to the back first. The back will hook on first, then bring lid down, re-snap on the connections, and then make sure that you do get this hose. You can normally see that there is a little wear. Make sure you get it all the way in, or the water will not flow properly. You can then reinstall your blue clip. And your cold tank is ready to go.